You don't have to be a car enthusiast to want to add value to your car. Today we're diving into a topic that can make a real difference in the future value of your car: Carfax reporting. We all know how important it is to keep our cars in tip-top shape, but did you know that something as simple as Carfax reporting can add significant value to your vehicle down the road? At Grease Pro Oil Change, you can rest assured that all of your efforts to keep your car well maintained will be documented and submitted to Carfax. When your vehicle's service history is reported to Carfax, it creates a record of all the maintenance it's undergone. This record can provide potential buyers with the confidence they need when considering your car. Think about it. If you were in the market for a used car, wouldn't you prefer one with a well-documented history? With Carfax, you can build trust and credibility, making your car stand out in a crowded market. So whether you're selling or just want to ensure your car's value holds up, remember that Carfax reporting is a smart move. Keep those records up to date by visiting Grease Pro and watch your car's future value shine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.